Hey guys, it's Robert coming at you at the YouTube network. We're out today flying the UMX P-51D Detroit Miss, flying it on the 2S300 pack. A little windy out here in San Diego today. You're going to use the 2S pack in these little UMX planes. You will need to buy the little adapter that turns the batteries plug into a JST adapter, as you can see here, so you can use this. Tuck all this stuff in here. So I thought I'd do some flying. I like the 2S on these planes because I think it gives it a little bit more scale performance. On a 3S, the plane will really rip around. I think it's a little bit too fast. You can see speed is still adequate on a 2S battery. Plane is handling the wind just fine. Try to keep the plane a little bit closer because I know it's hard to see on the video because the plane is so small. Love the scale. Look at these little micros. Technology has really improved itself over the last couple of years, so they've been able to keep a lot of the detail and the performance in these little UMX planes. She is really being buffeted around by the wind, but it's still flying amazing. Roll rate is amazing. You can see here, hopefully you can see this. Do a loop here real fast for you guys. Scale loop. Little inverted flight here. I have my timer set up for 5 minutes. Should be more than enough time to fly this little plane around. Again, I'm flying it on a 2S 300 pack. I know it's hard to see it because it's so small. Timer's about to go off, guys, so we'll land it here. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Do me a favor and hit that subscribe button if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, and turn on notifications so you will know when I upload videos weekly. I try to put out a new full video on Sundays, and I do shorts all week.